last night.
No, you said it's none of my business, so.
Well, it's not. And it is. It's... Look, I get mad and you get squirrely.
I do not.
No, you get squirrely when someone says they're going to be there and then you think maybe they won't. That happens. You're allowed.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere. And if having a kid is what you want, then I can be ready. I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's make a baby right now.
Are you out of your mind? We're not having a baby. I'm in the middle of a residency. You are never home. And what about us? We haven't even traveled. And what happened to the dog? Let's get a dog. No, do not come near me. We are not making a baby. No.
The choice is yours.